Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to download offline from Bible app to read it online or listen to it online. Now if you want to download a verse or paragraph or a book or a chapter itself from Bible app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. Now to do so you need to simply make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi and you are logged into your Bible app. Now after that, if you are connected to Wi-Fi, open Bible app on your device, and this is the home page of Bible app where you will see various options like home, Bible, plant, discover more at the very bottom of the page. So simply click on the option of Bible at the very bottom of the page, and now from here you may click on the option of the book which you think is suitable for you or if you want to read. So click on the chapter which you want to read, or you may click on the first chapter and download the whole chapter by clicking on this. So after that, at the very side of the book name you will see the option of CEV or NEN, something like that. It changes according to the book or the chapter like this. So you may click on the small letter or the 3 letter written at the very side of the chapter name, and here you'll see the 76 English version where you can download. So from here you may simply download the choice of yours, and you may also listen to it before downloading it. Listen like this, as you can see, you can hear. So you may click on the option which you think is good for you to download. So you'll see the option of download at the very right of the page. So click on it and download it according to your choice. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.